We're reviewing her Fantasy Box Slippery Box. When we first ordered this, we expected something sensual, high quality, and empowering. The presentation is undeniably beautiful, the packaging is sleek, and the products look premium, and it feels like a self-care treat. But once we got into the actual contents, the experience was underwhelming. The value of what's inside doesn't quite match the steep price tag. While we appreciated the attention to aesthetics, the product quality wasn't consistent. Some items felt cheaply made, and the sizing options were limited. Now for the pros. The concept is great. It promotes intimacy, self-love, and exploration in a classy way. It's also a perfect gift idea for couples or for those who looking to surprise their partner. But the biggest con here is the price to value ratio. You're paying a premium for branding rather than substance. Another issue is availability. Shipping took longer than expected, and customer support wasn't very responsive. Overall, the Her Fantasy Box Slippery Box is fun to unbox and looks great on Instagram, but it's not worth the cost for what you actually receive. We'd recommend it only if you're buying it for the experience, not the items themselves. This has been how to really get these smart and simple and scam-free.